What's up guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, if you have a Samsung Galaxy S23 series phone, then there is a very big good news for you all. So now if you get any green line issue after updating your phone, now you can replace your phone display for free. So what's the offer? Let me show you. This offer is only valid till December 31, 2025. Let me show you this offer. So for now, it's only for Samsung Galaxy S23 series and it's for Indian users only. I don't know about the global user, okay? As you can see, this is the chat, and this chat was done by the Tarun. You can see he tweets about Samsung phones in Twitter. So you can see. So guys, you can see that this is the full chat with Samsung service. You can pause the video and you can see the full chat. So your phone must not be more than 3 years old. And guys, this offer is only for green line issue. Okay. So if you have any other issues, then they will not replace your display for free. If you update your phone and if you get a green line issue on your Samsung S23 series phones, then you can obviously replace your phone display for free or from Samsung Service Center. Okay, so this is a great news for Samsung S23 users. So guys, now you can update your phone without any worrying. So this offer is till December 31, 2025. So before that, you can replace your Samsung Galaxy S23 series phone. Currently, if you have a green line issue on your Samsung phone S23 phones also, you can go to service center and you can ask for replacement. Okay, so alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I wanted to share this good news with you all guys. Okay, bye, have a great day, take care. If you have any questions, just comment below, I will definitely reply.